Kadba ka ayom liur kalanangjan ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District ka Kong RM Kurba
Recently
kalapatha
trees
ya Divisional
were
Forest
falling
Officer
as
Territorial
you're
ban
saying.
Jurip penya habaro ka wika sorshulong na kabenta ban lap yaki Dieng ki bala khamtlot bat ki bala jan Khyllem ban lei e yaki kani ga jingpatha kalami haubanai remphang kathmu ban pundunai ki jingma ki bala ban mi na ka jing Khyllem jong ki Dieng ki sit ka bala juja manakapor bajur slap.
Recently trees were falling as you're saying. There were trees that had fell even in my very own compound. A tree had fallen down without any rain. It just kind of because I think so because it was windy also in the month of Feb. So it was during the month of Feb that we had written to Forest Department that territorial. So we have written to DFO territorial to kindly have a review, do a recce of the entire city and identify where there's a weak tree or we all trees are not strong, right? There are weak species also. Identify those weak ones and those are endangering the life. And as we know, like every year there's always this falling of tree incidents, so we have done that. And then yes, we've called for report from the DFO to identify those trees and to take necessary action, right? You please submit the report to us as soon as possible. And also, like High Court has kind enough to give an order that rampage cutting of trees is not allowed. It has to be approved by the DFO concerned. So because of that, we have asked the DFO representative today to do the recce as soon as possible and to submit the report, the action taken report to us, so that we kind of gear up and do the cutting or pruning of tree, whatever is required. Very soon it'll be a World Environment Day, and there's going to be a lot of people who are going to want to plant trees. So what I requested the DFO representative today to kindly, you can do a story on that later on, just to ensure that we all have to act together. My point of view is that whatever tree that they plant should be a strong one, should not be a weak species, which is feasible to displace here. So for that, we don't know, we are not expert on that. So we have requested the DFO to kindly educate the public what tree to plant, especially in a constrained place, like it should not be like a tree that it should have ample space, even if it has a potential of falling or things like that. It should not fall on people. That kind of specification there should be, especially the species. It's very important to know the species when you planning to plant a tree in your compound. So with this, I already requested. I hope he'll come up with the information soon.
What was his reaction regarding this your request to have this stronger species of trees to be planted?
What I request was awareness to the public, since the World Environment Day is coming and it's a season for planting trees from the month of May, June. So during this period, if people are wanting to plant any sort of trees in their compound or along the street or anything like that, even in institution, they should know what type of trees to plant. So for that, we have requested for awareness. I take this opportunity to request all the localities head to kindly review your own locality, within your respective locality, the drains that are being constructed. And as you all know that again the monsoon are coming, so it is requested that all localities should have a pre-monsoon cleaning up, so that the drains they have a free movement for the water that is going to come.